Hi everyone, this is Savage Khan, your real estate broker. If you're thinking of buying, selling residential or commercial property, give me a call for free property evaluation and professional advice. Today I'm in Milton. I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful detached house, double garage, approximately 3,000 square feet, additional 1,217 finished basement with separate entrance. Let's start the tour. Single door entry, but we have a frame with glass which makes this area bright. And you see on a foyer they have a tiles here. It's an upgrade. The left side you see front door, double door. You see this beautiful den, office, living room, whatever you call it. Good size for 3-seater, 2-seater, 3-seater, 2-seater. So I would say accommodation for easily 10 to 12 people. You see how big is the window that makes the room brighter. On main floor you have 9-foot ceiling, smooth ceiling, so it looks bigger. Then you have a coat closet here. After that you move forward, this area goes to basement and side door we will visit later. Here is the dining room. Look at the size, very nice, good sized dining room with window, quite bright. Then from there you come to great room. Fireplace, upgrade for mounting a TV inside so you don't see the cables. And here you see window, very bright area. Good size, very good size, great room. So here's the breakfast area. They have a tiles here. What you see is windows everywhere, very bright. Spaces for ovens. They have a quartz work hood, and oven and appliances are not installed. Quartz work, beautiful. You see the island size. It's a quartz deep sink, and they have upgrade of for the garbage, which is very good. And this space for fridge. And here is the pantry in the kitchen. Very good size. Now let's go and show you. Here is the closet, coat closet, because this is the inside entry from the garage. You see the garage size, separate door, 2-door, double garage. So it's the powder room with window, reasonable size. Now let's go upstairs. We'll go to the basement later. Wood case. You see the window, very bright, big window. So as soon you come upstairs, the landing area, and this window is making this area quite bright. And then you see the first bedroom on the right side. Look at the size of the room, very good size for queen, or I would say king bedroom. Windows. This whole area, only this area, the left, and all windows. And in the past, only you will have this big window and rest is wall. So things are changing. Big windows make your house brighter, looks bigger and nicer. So this bathroom, this room is with attached washroom, single sink and standing shower. You see they have taken the upgrade. They have on the ceiling tiles, and it's very nice with a very nice window. So here's this room. As you enter, you see walk-in closet, very good size walk-in closet. And from there you see this beautiful room, good size, reasonable size, smaller than the other room but still very reasonable size. And then we have here Jack and Jill washroom with double sink, very nice. And they have a separate commode area and tub with window, very nice. And we can go to that room from here. So this is the room number 3. Look at the size, reasonable, Good size window, not walk-in closet, but reasonable size. Then you move to laundry area with window. This space is for washer dryer, nice size sink. There is linen closet, and then big one, double door entry, master bedroom, walk-in closet. Such a big walk-in closet. I think they changed their mind. They were making a fifth bedroom. Then they decided, let's make a walk-in closet for a master bedroom. Now, it's happening now. Most of the houses I'm seeing, master bedroom, instead of having two closets, his and her, they're making one big closet. So let's move to the room. Look at this. It's a big size master bedroom. And look at the windows. They have all windows. And honestly, worth having windows in this room. You have a ravine on the back. You can keep your blinds off. Don't have a privacy issue because there's no house in the back. Amazing. Very nice, very bright. Now move to ensuite, double sink, long one mirror, and here is tub, standing shower, very fine finish, very nice. They have, even on the ceiling, they have tiles. And here is a commode area, separate with window, very bright. So now let's go to basement. See here a side door. Here is a side door entry. So it's a legal basement. That's why they have a side door entry. Decide to rent, you can put wall here or you can have a door here, so to separate. So from there you go downstairs, wooden staircase. Here you go. Look at this. How big is this basement? Amazing. So very nice ceiling height, laminate floor. It's a copperless house. Only the gap I see windows. They didn't upgrade the windows. You can easily upgrade if city permits. You can put 36, 20, 24 windows. You will make this area amazing. In this finished area, you can make easily 2 bedrooms here. Look at this, and big bedrooms I'm talking about. With kitchen, sitting area, you can make here. And here is a rough end for the washroom. I don't know why they didn't make or develop the washroom, but here's a space. That's what you need to do. And here is another area, which is, I would say, another bedroom. It's a big, you can extend the window and you can make a beautiful bedroom. Here is mechanical electric room with the sump pump. And there is opportunity for powder room. This area you can convert into powder room as well. So very nice. So this basement you can make easily 2 to 3 bedrooms basement with open area, kitchen, 1.5 washroom. Amazing. Hope you liked the tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 washroom, detached house, double garage, backing on ravine, finished basement, 1,217, potential for rent with side door entry, very well established area, 401, 403 QW, 407 Mississauga, Oakville, Burlington, all amenities. Within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you get everything you want. Milton is one of the fastest growing town in Ontario and in Canada. Other options available as well, single garage, double garage, bigger than this or smaller than this house. Give me a call to discuss your options. I have so many other projects like this in Oakville, Burlington, Milton, Greater Toronto area and beyond. Or if you want to buy or sell your property, I can help you. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. I can be reached at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.